Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Ahmad, and here we talk about software engineering, tech, and student lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, please subscribe. Today we're going to talk about 5 reasons why software engineers like to use MacBooks. So let's get started. Before I start, I want to say that I know Windows was more popular according to the Stack Overflow developer survey, and I am not comparing operating systems in this video. I am personally a Mac user, and most of the developers I know use Mac as well, so I went out and asked them to see what they liked about writing code on Macs and see if they have similar reasons to mine. The first reason would have to be the Apple ecosystem. Being in the Apple ecosystem allows developers to easily share their files and documents to others using AirDrop. If you have other Apple devices like an iPhone or an iPad, all your information is synced onto the cloud so you can access it anytime and anywhere. Developers also love their headphones, and the ability to use one pair of headphones that can switch from one device to another automatically makes the workflow even smoother. Reason number 2 would be the macOS operating system. macOS has a very simple and streamlined user interface. The workflow is very similar to the operating systems that you see on iPhones and iPads. From downloading apps to going through and managing your files and documents, the software integrates with the hardware seamlessly as Apple creates their own software and hardware, which many other companies do not. The third reason would have to be reliability. MacBooks tend to last a very long time without having any issues over the years of usage. Some of the developers I spoke with are using MacBooks that came out back in 2016 and even 2015. They're not Apple fanatics or anything like that and just need the machine to get their work done, and are only now considering buying new MacBooks as Apple is discontinuing their Intel-based Macs and replacing them with their M1 Macs. Reason number 4 will be the design of MacBooks. If all your workflow is going to come from a machine, it would be nice for the machine to look good and feel good as well. The MacBooks deliver on this better than almost anyone else. They are arguably the best looking laptops out there with a sleek design and aluminum finish. Another thing to add is the trackpads on these laptops. Everyone I asked agreed that the trackpads on the MacBooks is the best one out there, and there isn't really another trackpad that can compare. It's the perfect size, feels great to use, and is sensitive to many gestures. There's a reason why Apple sells a trackpad as its own separate product for customers to buy and use with their Macs and iPads. The fifth and final reason would be the accessibility to exclusive software. MacBooks are great for developing web apps, but they're a must-need for iOS and macOS apps. Although you can most definitely develop an iOS or macOS app without a MacBook, however, if you'd like to publish it on the App Store, you would need a macOS machine to do so. With MacBooks, you also have access to Apple's IDE, Xcode, which works really well with the programming language Swift. You can also use Windows or Linux on a macOS machine, which may look weird but can be very useful at times. This feature, however, does not work the other way around. Again, I'd like to say that this is not a comparison video. MacBooks have their disadvantages as well, which I'll be covering in a later video. I'd also like to say that you do not need a MacBook to be a great developer, but if you are a developer who is in the market for a MacBook, I'd say go for it. You'll enjoy them a lot. But you should probably wait like a couple of months because they are releasing new MacBook Pros with their new M1X chips or something like that. You just get that instead. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe and follow all my socials. They'll all be linked down below, and have a great day.